Click subscribe for update video every day.
Even in these days of the low-cost 7-inch tablet, a sub-$200 price tag on an Android slate is usually a big red warning sign. Danger. Crappy tablet. That's the case with the $170, not to mention the slew of craplets that pop up at Kmart, Toys R Us, and other discount retailers. So we approached the $150 Asus Memo Pad HD7 with some trepidation. That low price is tempting, and Asus has already proven it can produce a good tablet for not a lot of money with the two Nexus 7s. Still, is it possible that the Memo Pad is worth the money? To our surprise, the answer is yes. At first glance, the Memo Pad HD7 looks a lot like the first generation. It's almost exactly the same size, just an ounce lighter, and from the front they're almost identical. However, the Memo Pad doesn't have a soft touchback, and the power and volume toggles sit along the rear curve instead of on the edge, making them a little awkward to find at first. We're glad the headphone jack is on top, though placing the micro USB plug there is odd. Many docks assume your micro USB plug is on the bottom. The plastic chassis on the Memo Pad doesn't feel cheap. It's solid enough with a bit of give on the edges if you purposefully squeeze. But this is a budget tablet. Unlike the HP Slate 7's disappointing display, the Memo Pad's 7-inch, 1280 by 800 pixel panel is impressively bright and colorful. It's on par with, or perhaps a bit better than, the original Nexus 7 screen. We're fans of the vivid colors and the utility Asus includes, called Splendor, that allows owners to adjust color temperature for different scenarios. The IPS LCD screen means you get wide viewing angles and no weird distortion if you're looking at it off-center, even during dark scenes in videos. The only major drawback is that the screen doesn't get bright enough at 100% to overcome the effects of strong sunlight. It also collects fingerprints more readily than we'd like. Neither of these issues are deal breakers. Around back, the Memo Pad continues to set itself apart from the first-gen Nexus 7 with a micro SD card slot and a rear-facing camera. The small soundbar at the bottom is wider and produces